Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about a webinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you customize your EverWebinar registration page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to customize your EverWebinar registration page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you have to have a high converting registration page. Otherwise, people are going to drop off before they even register. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to customize one of your webinar registration pages, here on the left side, make sure you've clicked on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different webinars you've already set up. So go ahead and click on the edit button for the webinar that you want to change the registration page for. Once you do that, you're going to see all these little blue bubbles here at the top. You're also going to see this if you're setting up your very first webinar with EverWebinar. However, to customize your registration page, it's going to be here on registration. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and customize your registration page. If you want to customize the look, it's going to be right here. If you're going to customize the fields, it's going to be here. So if you want to customize the look, you're going to click on the pencil icon here next to registration page design. Once you do that, you can go ahead and choose a template that's available right here. Once you've chosen the template, you're going to be able to customize it. So for example, this one looks pretty good right here. So when you hover over it, you're going to click on the customize button. Once you do that, go ahead and choose what type of registration you want to show up on this particular landing page. So you can have the registration at the bottom. I kind of like that one. But if you just want a bubble on the bottom left, or maybe you want button inside the page, choose whichever one fits your style. So I'm going to choose this one and then click on launch build. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and customize your webinar registration page. So all you do is just click into these little boxes. So it says free webinar. Let's just say free tacos, right? And then grow your YouTube channel. Maybe we're going to say today with here, this particular landing page has a video. So we can click over here and then click on the pencil icon and you can go ahead and change the video. All right, down here is the registration form right here. And we can change the host. So maybe I want to go ahead and change the picture. We can upload an image right here. Okay, I added an image. You can see right there. Maybe I want to go ahead and change the background from white. I'll click right, choose image, upload image. Okay, now you can see the background has changed. I'm going to click on save. So in the background, maybe you want your brand or your logo. That's up to you. Okay, so once you have customized your webinar registration page, go ahead and click up here and then click on save. Okay, now it brings me here. So here is our customized webinar registration page and then click on save. Next, we can go ahead and change the fields if you want right here. So right now we are asking for the first name and email, but maybe we want to go ahead and ask for their phone number as well. And then we'll click on save. But before you do that, make sure you click on this little box, turn it on, and then save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to customize your webinar registration page in EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.